This is Jan.
What's up?
Jan's 15th attempt to start up his motorcycle. It has fired up. This is Jan.
What's up?
Jan's 15th attempt to start up his motorcycle. It has fired up for a split second, but we're planning on sustaining ignition.
No previous knowledge of any motorcycles. I think read up on it online, and that's about it.
This is gonna be awesome.
Gotta wait for cars to drive by, because I don't know if it's on gear now.
Especially if his car is in gear. His motorcycle's in gear. Oh! Oh! We got 5 seconds out of that. Woo! Oh shit! Yeah! Oh! That's right! Actually said running. Oh no. First flight. He made it 50 feet. That's the record.
That was awesome. Talk to her.
Should we put some pedals on it so you could pedal it back in case it dies?
I don't even know the switch is on or off.
Watch out, he's kind of fired up. Jim's Hummer. Oh, it's gonna die. No? And it's still alive.
Keep it going. Not another street.
Sounds good.
Sounds mean.
Oh.
That was toast.